discrete categories. The summary might include some average or other statistics. Okay, so I will just explain in a simple way. So you can see this table, okay? And what you can see, so you can see the order date, region wise, then the sales representative wise, then what is the product name or item name, then what is the count of the product, what is the cost, what is the total, after that what is the average. Okay, you can see. But just looking this data, can anyone say which region in on the top side or in the unit side or costing side, who sales representative doing best job, right? How many items in a most sold in specific region, right? Just look this data and give the summary or answer. It is difficult, right? For that we need to do some calculation. Okay, so we have two options. Either you need to do manually. So how we can do? You can just filter it. Let's say I filter on center. Okay, so when I apply on center, I can see there are 6 executive working on this center side, center region. Then you can see the pencil binders, right? Then I can do the sum of the unit. Then I put somewhere. Then I put the cost. Then I put somewhere. Okay. Likewise, I need to work, and then I summarize. Then I can say I can present this table data to management side. What is the I can say what is the KPI for this data? Okay, key performance indicator we can say, right? Or what is the essence of this data? Okay, then you can explain in a more way. But for that you need to spend so much time. Even one, select the table. Okay. Step 2, go to the insert tab. Step 3, go to the pivot table. Step 4, click here. So you can see one dialog box. Pivot table from table or range. So which I selected. Okay. So here you have two options, new worksheet or existing worksheet. So you want to create a pivot table on new worksheet or existing worksheet. So always try to select new worksheet. Okay. Then click on OK. So when I click on OK, in the same workbook, he created one worksheet and you can see some design pivot table like such kind of patterns you can see. So when you click on this pattern, in the right side, something is happened, right? You can see something. So this is what I will explain. So pivot table field. So in the first section, you can see your column name or header name. So order date, reason, representative item, unit cost, average. This what this is? This is the field. These are the field. Okay, so you can see here. Then below you can see 4 section: filter, column, rows, and value. Okay, so what is my requirement? I want to see reason wise unit. So where is the reason? This is my reason field. You just drag it, okay, using your mouse and put into the row. So when I put into the row, if you see here, I can see multiple, right? But these are the duplicate. So he summarize and he show me only 4 reasons are available: center, east, north, and west. Okay. Now let's say I want to calculate the unit. So unit is the value. Okay, so whatever comes in the number, always put that field, drag that field into the value section. So when I put here, he automatically uses the sum. So without any calculation, I can understand the center side. These are the total of the unit, and even I can see the entire total here also. Okay. Now I want to see the atom. Okay. So I put this atom in the bottom side. So when you put in the bottom side below the region, in a center region, how many items are available and what is the sum? So you given automatically here. And you can also expand and collapse. This option is also available here. Okay. So when you present your data, you can explain. You just do the pivot table work for you, and you can just present your data. So you can present that, yes, in the center region, the item pain is 27 unit. Okay, you can explain your data, and this is more accurate. Now let's say I want to calculate cost also, so I put cost here, so that automatically column is increased, and you can see. Okay, so likewise you can explain your data. So we understand here what is the row. So when you put anything in the row, that visible this line, okay, the row 1, then row 2, okay, below that, when you any kind of data or number you put into the value side, then you can see the sum. Okay, what is the filter? Let's say, for example, let's say I remove the item from here and I put the item here in a filter side. So what is the use of filter? So if I filter only paper, so I will see the data for paper only. So paper are only available in the north region. So I have option to select multiple also. Let's say I want to select the pen set and pencil. Okay, so I can see all region and what is the count of this one. So this is the use of the filter. If you put anything in the filter, you can filter those things in the top. Okay, you can select all also. So this is the use of the filter. Now let's say I don't want sum, I want count. So I just right click, value field setting, I can see the dialog box. So I want count, I don't want sum. So if I click here, so I can see the count. So total 47 units are there in the count, and I can see the sum. So you have option to change. So you have average, max, minimum, sum, product also there. Okay, let's say I want to change the format also. Let's say I want to change the format into the currency. Okay, so can you see that value change into the currency? Any question guys on pivot table?